Section 4.6 Factoring Special Products. Objective number 1. Factor perfect square trinomial. In the book, they tell you about the perfect square trinomial, and they tell you the way how to apply this trinomial to factor. I won't follow the way is the book. I show you different way, the way that we learned before, so that in the case that you do not remember trinomial, and you can still able to do factoring. So let's just not look at the formula, and we just apply the way we learned before. This is the trinomial, and you remember the step to do 1, 2, and 3, right? Now we have two parentheses, and you notice that in this problem we do not have anything in common, so the greatest common factor is 1. Then you have z and z, and to get 25 is 5 and 5. Let's multiply inside, so you get 7z. Outside you get 5z. Write down step number 3, negative 10z. Then we should have minus 5 and minus 5. So you can write down your answer as z minus 5 squared. So why in this section we call a special product? It's because we have two parentheses are the same, z minus 5 and z minus 5. The way for us to recognize it is in the special product form is the number perfect square, 25. So let's give you the example of perfect square number. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and then 36, and then 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, and so on. So we call they are the perfect square numbers because you get, for example, 49 is 7 times 7. You get the two numbers are the same, multiplied together. You look at problem B, and you can see that 9 and 64, they are perfect square numbers, right? So you notice that this problem we may get the two parentheses the same, just like problem A. You notice that the problem, the GCF is 1. We don't have the number that go to 9, 48, and 64. Then we do the step 1, 2, and 3. To get step number 1, 9x squared, we should have 3x and 3x. To get 64, we should have 8y and 8y. Now multiply the inside, we have 24xy, and outside is also 24xy. Write down step number 3, 48xy. In order to get 48, we should have plus both. Then you can write the problem as 3x plus 8y squared. Problem C. You notice that the greatest common factor for problem C is 2. So we need to factor out the 2 because 2 go to 32 is 16 times, and 2 go to 48 is 24 times, and 2 go to 18 is 9 times. And again, you notice that 16 and 9, they are perfect square numbers. So we will carry the 2 down. We will do the two parentheses, and the step is 1, 2, 3. To get 16 is 4 and 4. To get m to the fourth, we should do square and m square, because when we multiply m square and m square, we add the exponent. And step number 2 is 9, so we do 3 and 3. Now multiply, we get 12 m square. Outside is also 12m square. Write down step number 3 is negative 24m square. So we should have negative for both. And you can write down your answer is 2 times 4m square minus 3 and then square.